Just a few weeks after the launch of the Pixel 8, Google has discontinued the Pixel Pass subscription, closing it to new users. Coinciding with the launch of the Pixel 6 series, Google began offering an all-in-one subscription that bundles together your choice of Pixel phone, preferred care protection, Google One's cloud storage, YouTube Premium, Google Play Pass, and optional Wi-Fi services. For a right customer, the Pixel Pass plan starting at $45 were a solid deal offering a modest discount on the bundle. That's it, this Pixel Pass was only available in United States, but it seems Google may not have found the right amount of customers. In an announcement shared on the new support page, Google has confirmed the Pixel Pass subscription will be discontinued as of August 29, 2023. The company cites its focus on offering the best values as well as customer flexibility. It is important to note primary thing changing today is no longer possible to purchase a new phone through Pixel Pass bundles. Existing customers are not affected by today's change and active subscription will continue as normal until the end of the 2-year term. As an existing customer, you can continue with the duration of your Pixel Pass, which is 2 years from when you signed up. You will not be able to upgrade to a new phone with Pixel Pass at the end of 2 years. Multiple 9 to 5 Google readers tell us that Google is offering a $100 rebate to activate Google Pixel Pass customers. As a thank you for the subscribers, we are adding $100 in Google Store credit to your account. It's good for 2 years and can be used for any Google Store purchase. To view your balance, sign up into Google Store account and check the settings page. Current Pixel Pass subscribers will continue to receive a discounted rate for Google Play Pass, Google One, YouTube Premium and Wireless.